My name is Gina Zaccanini, and I'm here representing Healthgrades, and it is a joy to be here. Pretty amazing what you all have done here, and especially this new facility. So congratulations on all that you've accomplished here. It's also a privilege to be in a facility that is among the top 5% of the nation for stroke care. And not only that, you've been in the top 5% of the nation for not one, not two, but 10 years in a row. So ever since 2003, you all have been the top 5% of the nation, and that's a great accomplishment, so congratulations. There's a few awards I would like to announce here that Healthgrades has given you, so I have a piece of paper to remind myself. But, you know, being here in emergency department, you all know there's a lot of people that come in and out of these doors. So I think it's pretty amazing that we're here to recognize the opening of this new emergency department. One of the, a lot of the significant amount of patients that come through are here for stroke. And as you all know, stroke, it's a matter of time. And so you really want to get these patients in the door and treated as quickly as possible for the best outcome. So being #1 in the state of New Jersey for stroke is quite an accomplishment, and it's thanks to a team of individuals. This is not something that just one person can take credit for. This is, as your president was saying, or the CEO was saying, I'm sorry, this is due to an entire team of individuals that have come together to work on this. So JFK has been recognized by Healthgrades as a recipient of the Healthgrades Stroke Care Excellence Award for 2012, but also for 8 years running now. You guys have remained in the top top 5% for 10 years and received this award for 8 years. This is something that no other hospital in the entire state of New Jersey can say. That's pretty significant. You are ranked #1 in the state of New Jersey for stroke care for 10 years running. That's something that only 4 other hospitals in the entire country can say. So you are 1 out of 5 hospitals in the entire country who can say you've been #1 in the state. That's very difficult to do. Remaining in #1 in the state is a very volatile spot. Everyone's vying for that. So there are a lot of things that are going on that it shows you care about every patient that comes in the door, and you're doing the right things for every single patient. It's significant. And the last thing I'd like to point out is that Healthgrades has given JFK the Pediatric Safety Award, Pediatric Patient Safety Award for 2010. We no longer give that award, so the last year that we gave it, JFK received it, and I wanted to be sure to acknowledge that as well. So what does all this mean? Who is Healthgrades? What does it mean? Healthgrades has been around since 1998, and we are a leading healthcare ratings organization. We rate all hospitals, and what's unique about Healthgrades is we look at outcomes only. So we look at complications and mortalities only. Because at the end of the day, we want to guide Americans to their best health. We want to guide them to those facilities that are going to give them the best care for their specific diagnosis or procedure. So for JFK, Stroke Care Excellence is obviously a great award to be receiving. We look at all non-federal hospitals. Hospitals cannot opt in or out. This is something that we put on our website to give patients that kind of educated decision as they're making choices for their loved ones or for themselves. And it's hospitals like JFK that are continuing to raise that standard of excellence for all hospitals across the entire country. It's pretty wild if you think about some of the numbers that have come. Another way, you guys are also 5-star rated, so I'm going to use a 5-star lingo here. But it's pretty significant when you think about the numbers. If all hospitals performed at the level that JFK is performing for stroke care, over 232,000 lives could have potentially been saved over 3 years. If you think about that, that's amazing to think of that many lives being saved. Another way of looking at this is patients that go to a 5-star rated hospital have a 73% lower chance of dying. That's going to affect my decision when I look for health care. And hopefully the people of the New Jersey area are hearing about this and know that this is where they should come for stroke care. This is where they can see that immediate care, the immediate results. And I get the opportunity to travel around the country to see lots of hospitals. And I can tell you that there's 3 things that all the 5-star hospitals have in common, and I've seen them already here. The first is that they're transparent. The second is that they practice evidence-based medicine. And the third is that there is a focus on quality from top senior management down to the physicians, the nurses, those who work at the front desk, rehab, every area of the hospital, there's a focus on quality. And I've seen that here just in the short time I've been here. And that's what gets you recognized, but that's also what gives patients the best care they can receive. So congratulations again on receiving the 2012 Stroke Care Excellence Award. I will now be presenting it to, I believe, Dr. Sharma.
Thank you, all our neurologists and neurosurgeons for this. I'm really proud that we can do this and to do it 10 years in a row. Amazing. And I can assure you, in the years to come, we'll do it in other fields too. Thank you.
Thank you, Gina. I'm going to ask Prof. Raja, the chairman of our board, just to say a few words, some closing remarks.
Thank you, Ray. I was going to steal Charlie's predecessors, the director of Freeholder. He used to say that the greatest county in the nation, and this is greatest hospital for treating the stroke. So congratulations, Ray. You are #1, and keep it up, and we are so proud of you. In behalf of all the board members, I'm so proud, and congratulations to everybody. Thank you.